Hey guys, just want to give a shout out to Austin Cleon for inspiring me to do these little mini zines, which are really cool. With me and my daughter, you know, we just do these little drawings of morning routines and stuff like that. Yeah, it's inspiring. I just got through his video and just came across it, and I'll show you what he did. For all the viewers who haven't come across his video, I thought I'd just do a little demonstration of it as well. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I sometimes play Lego with my daughter, so I do these Lego zines. And same thing, you know, there's a routine, you know, bus stop, going to school, playing Lego and all this. Very rough drawings. So I'll show you how we do it. So let's dive in. You want to create this little mini magazines. You want to create a piece of paper, and basically you want to fold it first in equals. Right, use a little, and you fold it again, just to flatten everything out on the side, and then one more time. Right, and then now what you want to do now, the key is to open it, and not this open part, but the folded part here. You just want to get I normally use a knife, craft knife, metal ruler, and basically from here to here, you just want to cut it from the top, and then you get this gap. But remember, just fold it back how you normally had it, and that's it. And then you have a little book here now, the mini zine pages, and you can draw on it, like just drawing on it here, morning routine, you know, waking up, brushing her teeth. Just a little bit of fun with my daughter like that. She loves drawing now, so very rough sketches. There's some other ones here, her playing Lego with dad, then going to the bus stop and dropping off at school. So just a bit of fun, you know. And then you can do the same here. I got these pen markers that I use. And yeah, you can just basically, you know, I just do drawings like that. Make a border and just, I don't know, drawing of me with my ear, I don't know, and I'm saying bye-bye. Very rough drawings, but yeah, something like that. So yeah, just for a bit of fun. So yeah, it's a very fun activity you can do with your children, with your niece, nephew, you know, and yeah, you can even create little diaries, you know, daily diaries if you like. So hope that inspired you, and happy magazine or mini zine making. I'll see you in the next video.